with a very small Dollar Tree haul. This sign that says summer sunny days I want to put on a porch. This lady said though that she, you know, it doesn't keep up in the rain though. So I'm gonna try it. She said she put one on her door, but I'm not gonna put it on the door. I'm gonna keep it out of the rain or anything. But I picked up one of those. I think these things are so cute. Alright. And these picks. I picked up these picks. This isn't crafty related, but I picked up those picks. I picked up a bunch of, I had some fingernail polish, but I already took that out. Oh, and these gnomies, these gnomes. Oh, I got 2 of those, but they're already in display. So I will put a picture of them in here. Every time I go, I like to pick them up. I picked up more of these because I think I packed away my other ones. These, you know, summer themed laser cut. How many come in a pack? 6 pieces. So I picked up that. Picked up things on my hair. Y'all need to see that. And then this was new to me, if not new to you. It's crafting paper packs that look like that. So I'm going to move these aside and take a gander into these paper pads. Paper packs, they're saying, not pads. So it must be separate pieces of paper. Is it a pad? Because I know I had, yeah, separate pieces of paper. So I'm going to give a quick flip through. Alright. Oh, it's polka dots. Different shades of polka. Well, duh, that's what... yeah. But it's more autumnal, really. Yeah, save that for autumn. That's nice. I'm trying to see if it has a date on when did it come out. Is it new? But yeah, this is nice. You know, save it for the autumn. Oh, and I'll show you what the other one looks like. I've never seen these there. So, pretty cool, pretty cool. You don't have to save them for autumn. You got a project you need to do right now with these colors, because you can still use, you know, use them. Summary. Alright, and this one, this is pretty. It says 24 sheets, 12 designs. Okay, let's look into this one. I mean, not bad for $1.25. You can't beat that. Alright. Oh, that's a pretty sheet right there. I wasn't expecting that. Let's see. Ugh. Okay. Right. Excuse me. Yeah, these are separate sheets. Now these don't match the cut. Don't match. Wait a minute, y'all. Now what y'all seeing here is something more summery, right? And this is just fine. I like this. Now, not one of these sheets of paper were in there. Oh, that's the, look at that. You did not see this paper here. But still, I'm happy with what I have. But it's a little misleading. But these are the 2 paper, they're called paper packs, not paper stacks. I wanted to call them paper pads. They're not pads, they're paper packs. But that's not bad. Little 6x6 sheet of paper. You know, I'm pleased with it. So, again, I had already put up my gnomes there in display. And just wanted to come on and then show you my small haul. And have you seen these crafting paper packs? I have not. I haven't been at the Dollar Tree in a long time, so I was glad to see this, you know, and pick this up. Well, I will talk. And if you've made it this far, and you just don't want to leave a comment or anything like that, drop a $sign. It say, you know, Dollar Tree, because, you know, not a dollar anymore. You know, not a dollar anymore, it's $1.25. So drop a dollar sign or a wave emoji. Let me know that you're there, and I will talk to you later. Bye.